got to use deal splits recently with Sales Hub Enterprise, and it's very easy to set up. So I wanted to show people out there how to use it if you haven't. So first you'll want to go over to settings and turn it on, go into deals, and then scroll down to collaboration and just hit this checkbox. You'll have to be a super admin to set this up, and then anyone with deal edit permissions are going to be able to add a deal split. So keep that in mind. Now I'm going to head back to a deal and show you how to apply one. Okay, I'm back on the deal record, and it's going to be over on the left side panel. You'll see deal splits, and you'll simply hit add, go over to this right side panel. So when I got to use this recently, it was with Mandy, so we'll just use that as the example. And you can split evenly or by percentages. So for this example, we'll just say this was the split. It'll do the calculation, and you'll hit add. So the deal splits you can then see in forecasts and in custom reports. And another nice thing, if you go to your deal board, you'll also be able to see on the deal cards which ones have deal splits applied.